Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the simple process of setting up Zelle transfers with PNC Bank. Zelle is a convenient way to send and receive money directly from your bank account using just an email address or phone number. If you're a PNC Bank customer, you can easily link your account to Zelle for seamless transactions. First, log in to your PNC Bank account either through the website or mobile app. Once you're in, look for the option to add a new external account or manage transfers. This is where you'll find the option to set up Zelle. Click on the Zelle tab or option to begin the enrollment process. Next, you'll need to enter your contact information, such as your email address or phone number, which will be linked to your Zelle account. Make sure the information you provide matches what you've used for your PNC Bank account to avoid any issues with verification. After entering your contact information, you'll receive a verification code either via email or text message. Enter this code where prompted to verify your identity and complete the enrollment process. Once verified, you can start using Zelle to send money to friends, family, or anyone else who uses Zelle. To send money using Zelle, simply select the option within your PNC Bank account to send money with Zelle. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number, the amount you wish to send, and add a memo if needed. Review the information for accuracy and confirm the transaction. The money will be sent instantly to the recipient's account. And there you have it. Setting up Zelle transfers with PNC Bank is quick and easy, allowing you to send money securely and conveniently. So, next time you need to split the bill or send money to a loved one, consider using Zelle through your PNC Bank account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.